Are we ready to go to Christmas Village?
Oh, yeah.
Are you ready, Fifi? Okay. We finally made it. Samonte Park. This is the Christmas bazaar, guys. Go straight ahead. Look at this. Look at these amazing. Look at those lights. Look at City Hall. I think that's City Hall. I'm quite sure. We are going into the Denver's Christmas Village here in Cavite City. Let's go. Wow, look at that. Cool. Welcome to Cavite City. Go through the star, Fifi. Let's go. Wow. Hi, Fifi. This is cool, huh? Mayor Denver Chua. Hey guys. What is this, an onion? Is this an onion? Santa Claus. All right, let's go upstairs. Follow mommy. And go up here and see what's going on up there. This is a top view here, guys. Cool, huh? Ah. There's a little pier. It goes all the way out there. And you can see Manila over there to the distance. Let's play some games. Ready to go? We're gonna go through that little tunnel of lights right over there. Let's go. The tunnel of lights. Thank you, sir. Come on, Fifi. Doesn't it feel like Christmas, guys? It feel like Christmas? Wow. Okay. Let's go. I don't know what you're waiting up for. It's gonna get dark here. There's Manila. Hello. Are you cold, Fifi? Oh, let's look at the place here. See? Denver's Christmas Village in Cavite City. Cool. Let's take a picture. I'll take a picture of all of you guys first. We're eating some French fries and some fruit. fruit juice. Hello, wave. It's a good view right here, guys. Nice view. Wow, this is kind of cool. The lights are nice. It's cool outside. It feels like Christmas in the Philippines. See, it says, welcome to Cavite City. Well, the tunnel of lights was pretty cool. What you gonna play, baby? You gonna try to win something? Oh! Try again next time. It says Super Mario, but there's no Super Mario stuffed animals. Alright, let's see. Yeah, 2 tokens. Come on. Come on, baby. You got it, you got it. Oh! No. Get it, get it. Oh, man. Oh, oh, oh. Give Fifi some tokens. Mommy has the tokens. Get it, get it. Oh, man. Look at Fifi. Fifi's trying to get something. Let's go, Fifi. Let's go. Let's see how Mommy does. Let's go, Mommy. Oh, what a scam. Take a picture with Santa Claus. Oh, is that your mommy now? We got rid of the other mommy, huh? Got tired of the other mommy. What do you want, Peepa? Do you want a toy? You want a toy now, or you want a toy for Christmas? It's video. Let's go. Christmas tree. Cafe Cavite. Cool. Let's look at the menu. Hello. It's good. You got some popcorn. Ask Ate Michelle to open it. What you got there? Popcorn? So Fifi has some sipon here. Look at that. Is it good? Let's see. The taste tester. And
This one tastes like strawberry.
tastes like strawberry? Oh, I missed it. Alright, let's go. Cooking the popcorn here. Now we are checking out the street food. See what they have over here. Oh, that looks good. Bonito. Yeah, look at that. I know they're getting fish balls for Pipa. Is that for you, Pipa? This is what Pipa has right here. This is her favorite. You gonna get some, babe? Want some ramen? Got some ramen. Buy one, take one. DIY. We're trying to figure out what we want. This Shomai place looks good. I want the Shomai with 4 pieces. Japanese cake. Okay, cool. Give me. All right, so we made it home, and so Pipa is gonna eat her Japanese cake. Let me see it again. Is it good? Okay, say bye. Thanks for watching.